Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. Oh man, I just had to turn my music off, man. Like, it was so loud in here, man. I mean, I was playing that Gucci Man again, still in this bitch, and oh my lord, I had to turn the song off, man. But it wasn't draining. It wasn't draining my votes or nothing. It was just going super duper hard, man. Play that song. If you guys got a sound system like my boy Big Worm, you definitely better play the song. It's called Gucci Man Still in His Bitch. But I'm here to bring you DB Bump Off. It's like 152 versus 151. It's two DC Audio level 6 18s going against 4 Resilient Sounds, 14 Resilient Sound 15s. So 2 18s, level 6 DC Audios going against 4 Resilient Sounds. Resilient Team Sounds. That's the name of the speakers. Yeah, and I can't figure out the amps they got. I forgot. I'm sorry. But whatever they got in their car is super powerful. Both one vehicle, and that'll be with the so if you say who won a DB battle, then you might want to give it to, maybe the Resilient. I don't remember who got the 152. So we're gonna have to watch the video for that too. I will have the SPL test getting done in there, and it will be one battle. It'll be just one battle with one song. That's it, and they will play at the same time, which what I think I should start doing in my bump offs. But let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Now, and it's another thing, the 4 Resilient Sounds, 4 Resilient Team Sounds will probably get a little bit more play because I got more footage of them. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. It's like a bass paradise, y'all. yourself?
I did it all myself.
That's what's up. DIY gang, stand up.
Erie, PA, baby.
The 144, people don't realize how bad 144 is though.
Yeah, it ain't bad.
And 150 is just insane nuts. All right, we back. I hope you guys enjoyed that, man. That was a great video, man. I mean, I holded it down for you guys. I could probably let it go like, you know, probably the first day we came back, but I didn't. You know, I just wanted to keep it for you guys, so y'all can see it. You know, still more to come from the show though. We still ain't done yet. You know, I could have just did the whole entire show in one video, but you know, guys, that's not the way I work. You know, and I have a problem with the car right now. I have a problem. You know, but I can't tell you the problem until I release the video. So I might release this video first, or I might release the problem video first. I don't know. I don't even know, y'all, to be honest with you. It's like the days are just going by, and you know, it's like so much going on that I can't even keep up no more. Which is okay, you know. I will still keep on grinding though. That's one important thing, you know. Just trying to see what's going on. We got the cops over here. You know, 2 cop cars. See if we can get a good view of it. Oh yeah. Something might have happened, y'all. You know, we get the cops over here too, so whatever. It is what it is. And I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Soda Pop Guy. And if Soda Pop Guy, if you're watching the video, let me know, because I'm about to show you guys you know, a preview of his system and what he got up in his car. Man, it goes hard. Everything that I basically got on video for you guys from the show goes hard. You know, we had like everything. So far we had, you know, the sundown nightshades, the sundowns, I can't remember the name of them, but they was crazy, you know. But we'll remember, because we're going to have to do another subwoofer list too. And this time, we would do it with highlights, of course. You know, now that we know how to do editing a lot better, we'll do it with some highlights. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.